Good morning, students. In the previous classes, we have completed our chapter 10, the ball of growing knowledge. Okay. Today we will going to solve our book exercises. Okay. And now let's start. Our first exercise A is multiple choice questions. Choose the correct option. MCQs. Okay. Our first exercise is MCQs. So first question is. Now let's start. Our first question is the earliest form of script developed by Sumerians is called. I have already given these exercises on our website. Okay, but we solve here too. The earliest form of script developed by Sumerian is called which? Cuneiform. Cuneiform. So the first statement's correct option is cuneiform. So our answer is cuneiform. Okay. Now our next statement is zero was invented by. As you know, we have already explained this chapter in our previous classes. So I think you all know that zero was invented by Aryabhatta. So your answer is Aryabhatta. Now we'll come to our third question. Your third question is the first printed book was the, as we know, we have already learned in chapter 10 that the first printed book was the Bible. So your answer is Bible. Okay. The third answer is Bible. Okay, now our fourth question is, we will come to our fourth question. Fourth question is, Egyptians made paper from a plant called, from which plant is Egyptians made a paper? From which plant? Papyrus. As you know, papyrus is your answer. Egyptians made the paper from papyrus plant. Now we will come to our next question from MCQs. Next and last question. Okay. Which script is used by the blind to read? We know na? According to our chapter, and as we know in the chapter 10, we have already taught that the Braille script is used by the blind to read. Which script? Braille script. Okay. So your answer is Braille. Okay. Now let's come to our exercise B. Match the following. Our exercise B is match the following. Okay. Now we have two sections A and B. Okay. In A sections, our first option is, which is our first option? India. India is match with zero. From B sections options, India invented zero now. India invented zero. So India match with option C. First is match with option C. Okay. So first is match with C. Okay. Now we'll come to our next question. Next option. Next option is Egypt. Which is the correct option match with it? Egypt. Egypt make a paper. Okay. So Egypt is matched with Braille. Louis Braille. Okay. So third one is match with A. Its his full name is Braille or Louis Braille. So Louis match with Braille. Okay. Now fourth one is Gutenberg. What is the correct option? Correct matching from B for Gutenberg. Gutenberg is a printing press, as you know, है ना? So fourth is match with E. Okay, fourth is match with E. Now fifth option is wood pulp. What is wood pulp? Papyrus, which is Egyptian used for making paper, है ना? So wood pulp is match with papyrus. It is option D. Yeah. So fifth is match with D. Okay. All of you clear about this now? Now we will come to our exercise C. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Now let's come to our first statements. Fill in the blanks. The word dash means wedge shape. We have already learned the word and we have help box 2. We have help box 2 now. We will choose from this the word cuneiform. Cuneiform means wedge shape. As we know, the word cuneiform means wedge shape. Okay. Now our next statement is earliest writings have been found on the seal of Indus Valley civilization. Our second answer is Indus Valley. Okay, now our third option is our national language Hindi is third statement is our national language Hindi is based on the which script? Based on the Devanagari script. Okay, so our answer is Devanagari. Now our fourth statement is dash counted in 60s. Who counted in 60s? Sumerian. Okay. So your answer is Sumerian. Now our fifth statement is the number system used nowadays is called Hindu-Arabic system, as we know, है ना, Hindu-Arabic. So your answer is Hindu-Arabic. And our next statement is the first book printed in the world was the. We can see it in the MCQs, है ना? The first book was printed and first book printed in the world was the Bible. Okay, so your answer is Bible. Okay, students, I hope that you all are clear about your exercises, and we will now finish this chapter. We will continue with next chapter in the next class. Thank you.